Okay, so your spirit guides and your deity, anybody, higher source of energy that you believe in, they are laughing at you right now. So this message is only going to be for a very manifested specific group of people. So I want you to listen carefully. Because I really feel like जो situation में भी आप अभी हो, इतनी कुछ serious है नहीं. It's not something that cannot be worked with. But what it requires is a lot of self-discipline. ठीक है? तो इतनी बुरी कुछ है नहीं situation. I think the cards are really trying to tell you here that take risks. It's time for you to really discipline yourself and get out of your comfort zone. जो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है वो आपने खुद ही क्रिएट करी हुई है इस टाइम पे. Which is why alternatively I feel so funny because it's not something you can't get out of. Remember that. It's not something that cannot be worked with, right? Again, there's a continuous learning pattern that you have to follow. Right now your life is all about that upgrade. It's all about, making yourself go up there. But वो तभी होगा अगर आप डिसिप्लिन रहेंगे, अगर आपका माइंडसेट ग्रोथ वाला होगा, अगर आप रिस्क्स लेंगे. एंड अगेन, इफ यू आर अ डिवोटी ऑफ लॉर्ड हनुमान, देयर यू गो, दीज आर जस्ट साइंस, राइट? You are being really pushed to discipline yourself and work on yourself. Please remember, अगर आपने ये नहीं किया तो आपने क्या किया? Right? Conquer your inner demons, by God. Does this not just like It's time for you to really work on the self. It's time for you to really learn to achieve true liberation by conquering your fears. What is holding you back is your own personal fear, nothing else. And the only way you can take some fear out is by facing it. Is by coming face to face with it, by really going beyond it and being like, you know what, I made it happen. Now it's not fearful for me anymore. This is what the cards are really trying to tell you here. Patience is the key. You might not see results very, very fast, but with, like I said, now let's take like an overall look, with a lot of determination, right? With a lot of self-discipline, right? With lots of continuous learning, while taking risks and while conquering your inner demons. And by having a lot of patience, you're absolutely gonna reach where you have to reach. There are no two ways about it, right? So make sure you work on that because that's what's really important right now for you, right? So take this as a sign because I really think you already know what's stopping you. Which is why maybe the universe and your guides are also laughing at you right now. It's a little funny. Okay? So इतना कुछ बुरा है नहीं जो सॉल्व हो नहीं सकता है, पर क्या आप उसको सॉल्व करने की हिम्मत रखते हो? That's the question. All right? Om Namah Shivaya.